Hi, welcome to Tricky IELTS. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convince the examiner with your speaking skill and how to get desired band in IELTS speaking module. For that, you have to watch this video till the end, and if you find this video helpful, I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. On examination day, you should dress well. If you dress well, it will enhance your confidence level. Before entering the examination room, you should knock the door in a formal way and greet the examiner according to the situation. Always answer the question in the same modal or helping word. But start your answer indirectly. You shouldn't start your answer directly. For example, would you like to learn any music instrument? So in this case, answer in the same modal word. But it is better to start with a phrase like this. Well, to be honest, I would like. The second example, which type of music do you like? So in this case, the question is in present indefinite tense. So it is better to answer in the same tense. Use various sentence structure with rich lexical resources. You shouldn't repeat one sentence structure and you shouldn't repeat words. For that, you should learn at least 10 words per day in order to score higher. Do not ignore passive structures because passive structures will help you to get higher band. And passive structures are more formal as compared to active. For example, my friend called me. So you can answer this question simply like this, that I was called. Eye contact with the examiner is more than essential because if there is no eye contact, the examiner will think that the person has no confidence. So eye contact will show the examiner that I have confidence, I have the ability. Learn the difference between good pause and bad pause because it will help you to get rid of hesitation. For example, if you are feeling hesitation, so the best solution is that to learn the difference between good pause and bad pause. Good pause is that you are taking after every sentence, and bad pause is that you are taking after every word. So you shouldn't take bad pause. You should take good pause in order to score higher. Pronounce a word according to the rules and regulations of IPA. Do not copy British or American accent. In this case, if you try to impress the examiner with your accent and you are trying to copy British or American, you will lose marks. You shouldn't copy. You should speak according to the rules and regulations of IPA and pronounce a word in a correct way. You shouldn't copy. Try to start your answer with a phrase. You shouldn't answer the question directly. You should answer the question indirectly. For example, if the examiner asks you a question, what do you do in leisure time? So if you are aiming for 5 or 6 band, you can start like this. I do this activity, for example. If you are aiming for higher band, it is a good idea to start with a phrase. For example, this is an interesting question. I usually do. Well, to be honest. This is an interesting question. Well, to be honest. I usually do like it. So you shouldn't start the question directly. If you start your question indirectly and with a phrase, so your mind will generate waves and there will be new ideas in your mind. And you'll be able to speak fluently. If you ignore these rules, you'll be unable to score higher. I hope you'll find this video helpful.